excited about the renovations in Flint Community Schools. We're about to do a walkthrough. I want you all to be able to come with me on this walkthrough so you can see the great renovations that's happening with Flint Community Schools, Clark Construction. Let's go! As we get ready to leave Doyle Ryder, all I can say to the Doyle Ryder family is you're going to be so excited about this building. Stay encouraged. It's looking great. We're doing great things here in Flint Community Schools, and we thank our Board of Education and all of the staff for all of your hard work. And let's get it done. Flint Community School is still the best choice.